So next one, today we are going to discuss about total reading, how to measure total reading in the case of vernier calipers. Now, assume that so this is a errorless instrument. So errorless instrument means the zero of this vernier scale coincides with the zero of the main scale. So here how many scales are there? Two scales. One is main scale. So this is called a main scale. This is vernier scale. So total 10 divisions are there. 1 0 0.5, 1 1.5, 2 2.5 like that. Now, so here to measure length or diameter of any object, what we need to do? We need to place between these two jars. We need to place here. So try to place one object. So assume that one object is placed between these two jars. So here is the reading. Now, so what is the reading of this one? What is the main scale reading? Can you identify main scale reading? Main scale reading means that is the reading on the main scale correspond to 0 on the vernier scale. So this one. For this 0, so which one is the reading? So I need to take 1.9 or 8. That is in between 8 and 9. Na? So make it zoom and check it once. Check the reading once. So this 0 coincides to after 8, that is not coinciding with the 9th line. So that we need to take that is in between 8th line and 9th line. Can you say like that? So this 0 line is in between 8th line and 9th line. Can you say like that? So what we need to take 9 or 8? 8 only we need to take. Remaining point you will get with the help of vernier coincidence. ఆ రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? ఆ వెర్నియర్ కోఇన్సిడెంట్ నుంచి చేసేది ఏంటంటే ఆ పాయింట్ నుంచి 8th పాయింట్ నుంచి ఎంత మూవ్ అయింది అనేది అక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ స్కేల్ రీడింగ్ హియర్? మెయిన్ స్కేల్ రీడింగ్ MSR ఈక్వల్ టు 1.8 mm or cm? Centimeter. Next one. Vernier coincidence we need to identify. Only these two readings we need to identify. So with the help of vernier calipers, two readings we need to take. That means one is main scale reading, other one is vernier coincidence. Vernier coincidence means only one line in these 10 lines coincides exactly with the main scale. That is vernier coincidence. That means so vernier coincidence అంటే ఒక లైన్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ లైన్ అన్నిట్లో ఒక లైన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది పై లైన్లతో. ఆ లైన్ నే తీసుకోవాలి. అదే వెర్నియర్ కోఇన్సిడెన్స్. ఫస్ట్ లైన్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయిందా? లేదు సెకండా, థర్డా, ఫోర్తా, ఫిఫ్తా, సిక్స్తా, 10th. సో ఇంకా జనరల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే ఏది కోయిన్సైడ్ అయింది ఎలా చెప్తాం అంటే, సో 8 కి 9 కి మధ్యలో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా సెంటర్ లో ఉంది అనుకోండి, 5th లైన్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో 8 కి దగ్గరగా ఉంది అంటే ముందు డిజిట్ కి దగ్గరగా ఉంటే, ప్రీవియస్ డిజిట్ దగ్గరగా ఉంటే, సో 1 నుంచి 5 మధ్యలో కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతాయి. ఇప్పుడు 9th డిజిట్ కి దగ్గర ఉంది మనకి, అంటే నెక్స్ట్ డిజిట్ కి దగ్గర ఉంది. సో దట్ 5 to 9 లోనే ఏదో ఒక లైన్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. So check this once. So 0 line coincide అయిందా? No. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 very near. 8 also very near. So this one exactly coincides. Exact గా కోయిన్సైడ్ అయ్యేది ఒకే లైన్ కోయిన్సైడ్. సో 8.5 లైన్ కోయిన్సైడ్. జనరల్ గా ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ లో ఈ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా ఆ లైన్ అయినప్పుడు 8th లైన్ 9th లైన్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో 8th లైన్ కానీ 9th లైన్ కానీ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 8.5 లైన్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయింది. సో వెర్నియర్ కోఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్? 8.5 is the vernier coincidence. So write down that reading. So vernier coincidence is 8.5. Total formula simple only. Total reading, this is also same as screw gauge. Main scale reading plus least count into vernier coincidence. Least count into vernier coincidence. So main scale reading 1.8. For this one least count 10 lines are there, so that generally 0.01 only. 0.01 in centimeters. Vernier coincidence 8.5. So how much it is? 1.8 multiply this one. 0 point plus 0.085. 0.085. This is equal to 1.885 in terms of centimeter. In terms of millimeter, 18.85. So it shows the same reading. 18.85. We got same reading here also. So this is the process to measure total reading. This is the process to measure total reading. Now check it once again. What is the basic reading? Main scale reading is how much? One main scale reading equal to main scale reading is how much? 1.8. 1.8. Vernier coincidence? 8.5. Now total reading? Main scale reading plus least count into vernier coincidence. So this is equal to 1.8 plus 0.01 into 8.5. This is equal to 1.885 in terms of centimeter. In terms of millimeter, 8.85 millimeter. This is the answer. So if you know our main scale reading and vernier coincidence, then we can calculate a total reading easily. So this formula is similar to the total reading formula in the case of screw gauge. Both are same. Both are similar. Is this clear? So how to measure total reading? Concept is clear or not? Next one. So go through the examples. Screw gauge discussion. Total reading measure data. Now check this one, sir. So how to measure total reading in the case of a vernier caliper, sir? This is the process. First we need to fix the object there. After that we need to measure main scale reading. So it shows 2.4, not 2,4. That is 2.4 is the main scale reading. Next vernier coincidence is 7. If you multiply that one with least count, then it becomes 0.07. So main scale reading is how much? 2.4. Vernier coincidence is 7. Multiply with least count, then it becomes 0.07. So total reading is 2.47 centimeters. 2.47 centimeter is the total reading. So this is the basic measurement of any length or diameter of an object by using vernier calipers. Is this clear? ఏదైనా coincidence. Object fix చేస్తే చాలు. ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా నచ్చదు. సో మనం తీసుకోవాల్సిన మెయిన్ స్కేల్ రీడింగ్ కోఇన్సిడెన్స్. ఆ కోఇన్సిడెన్స్ దీని దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది. సో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా మిడిల్ లో ఉంటే ఫిఫ్త్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. లేదు ముందు నెంబర్ దగ్గర ఉంటే 1 to 5 మధ్యలో ఏదో ఒకటి కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఫిఫ్త్ తర్వాత ఉందంటే నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. అంటే పాయింట్ డిజిట్ ఏ డిజిట్ దగ్గర ఉంటుందో దాని దగ్గర. Next one. Take it once. So is this device having any error? No error. No zero error. Because this horizontal line exactly coincides with the 0. So that there is no error. No. So if it is having some error, then check it once. So without any object, it is showing that 15 readings on circular scale. That means that is having some error. Na? So is it positive error or negative error? Positive error. Positive error means we need to add or subtract. Subtract. We need to subtract from the total value. Now, so in this case, is the 0 is above the horizontal line or below the horizontal line? Check this once. It is below the horizontal line. Sometimes they will specify like that. So here in that question they mentioned like this: 0 line of the circular scale 5 points below the horizontal line. Then what is that error? What is the type of the error? Positive error. 0 line is below the horizontal line means that is same as this one only. So positive error. How much is the error? 5. That 5 we need to subtract. Next. So if it is negative error, then so negative error is like this. So it shows some around, it is showing that 85 is the reading without any object. That means 0 is above the horizontal line. Is it correct or not? Can I specify like that? This 0 is above this horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. This 0 is above the horizontal line. So that that in that case we need to specify that the error is a negative error. How much is the negative error? Not 85. That is 15. 15 is the negative error, not 85. 15 is the negative error. So we need to add or subtract. Add. We need to add this value to the total value. Then you will get the final exact reading. So errors are clear or not? Sometimes they will specify 0 is above the horizontal line. 0 is below the horizontal line. Based on that one also, you need to specify whether it is a positive error or negative error also. Next. Next one, just assume, just place that object here. So just I am taking this screw gauge without any error. So without any error. So without object, it is showing 0 reading on circular scale. So that this is not having any error. Now place this object here. Just place that object there. Now calculate the diameter of that one. So here two scales. One is main scale reading, other one is circular scale reading. What is the value of main scale reading? So main scale reading is how much? So how many digits you are able to view? So only one digit. So 1 mm only. Next, circular scale reading. Circular scale reading that matches to the horizontal line. So which line that matches to the horizontal line? 50. So circular scale reading is 50. Now here how many lines are there on circular scale? 100. So least count equal to 1 mm by 100. That equal to 1 by 100 mm. Now, total reading equal to main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading. Their Vernier scale reading or Vernier coincidence. Same one. So plus or minus error. Main scale reading is 1 mm. Least count 1 by 100 50. Plus or minus 0. This is 0.5 na? So 1.5. 1.5 millimeter. Is it correct or not? Is this clear? Check the values also. Check the values once. So what is the width of this one? 1.5 mm. What is the main scale reading? 1 mm. Circular scale reading 50 divisions. 50 is the circular scale reading. If you multiply that one with least count, then you will get 0.5. You got the same answer, na? So these are the this is the process to measure total reading by using with the help of screw gauge. With the help of screw gauge, this is the process. So only we need to read or we need to note two values only. One is main scale reading, other one is circular scale reading. Only we need to take these two only. Just substitute that value in the basic equation, then you will get the answer. See, this is clear. Total reading is clear. Can I go through the next one? So diagram is ఎలా చేయాలో చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు మనకి డయాగ్రామ్ ఏమడగా డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా చూపిస్తాం ఎగ్జామ్ లో. సో డయాగ్రామ్ ఇవ్వకపోవచ్చు, థియరీలో ఇస్తాడు అంటే మ్యాటర్ లో ఉంటుంది ఇదంతా. సో మ్యాటర్ లో ఉంటే అలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. సో ఐడెంటిఫై టోటల్ రీడింగ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్. So here without any object. This one is without any object. This one also without any object. This one also without any object. This one is with object. Same screw gauge. This one is without object. This is with the object. This one without with. This one without with. Now check it once. It is having any error? Zero error. No error. No zero error. This one. So this is without object. So there is no error. We can conclude that there is no error. Now measure the total value. What is the main scale reading? Main scale reading 2. So 2. So this is first line. This is second line. So second line is visible. So 2 is the main scale reading. Next, circular scale reading. 25. Multiply that one with least count. Least count is how much? 45 divisions are there. 1 mm is the each division, so that 0.01 only. So total main scale leading plus least count into circular scale leading, 0.25. So 2.25 is the answer. So if error is there, then we need to add or subtract to this one. So no error, so that we can take directly that value as the final answer. Next one, check this diagram once. So this is showing some 7 instead of 0. That is showing 7. That means error is how much? 7 is the error. Is it positive error or negative error? Positive error. That means we need to subtract. We need to subtract. Next. So with the object, this is the reading. 2 is the reading on main scale. So 2. Next, circular scale reading 32. Multiply with the least count 0.32. So 2 plus 0.32, 2.32. And error also there. Na? So we need to subtract that error. So how much is the error? 7. Multiply this one with the least count. So 0.07. So subtract that. 2.32 minus 0.07 becomes 2.25 only. Same object. Here also, here and here also same object. But this is with error. This is without error. This is with error. Same width we need to get. With any instrument, answer should be same, na? Now check this once. Third one. This is showing 46, 47, 48. It is showing 48 instead of 50. So how much is the error? 2 is the error. So 0.02. If you multiply that one with least count, that becomes 0.02. Is it positive error or negative error? Negative error. That means we need to add this error. Now measure the value by using this one. 2. It is showing 2 as main scale reading. So 2. Next, it is showing 23. So 0.23. Now 2.23 is the answer. Now what about error? Plus. So 2.23 plus 0.02 becomes 2.25. Is this clear? Or? So if diagram is given, we need to identify like this. Now, so if the question is given in terms of matter only, how you are going to identify? So in next example, so the pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm. Here pitch is given as 1 mm and there are 100 divisions on the circular scale. That means what is the least count? From first line we can write least count. Na? So what is the value of least count? Least count equal to pitch of the screw, that is 1 mm by number of circular scale divisions 100. 1 by 100 mm. Next. In measuring the diameter of the sphere, 6 divisions on the linear scale and 40 divisions on the circular scale are coincides. So what is the main scale reading? 6. Circular scale reading? 40. Is there any error? No. You didn't discuss anything about the error, so that no need to consider that. No error. Now what is the total reading? Total reading equal to main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading. Now substitute the values. Main scale reading is 6. Least count 1 by 100. Circular scale reading 40. So 6 plus 0.4, that equal to 6.4 mm. Mm. So divisions and MSR 6 and so that is a mm only. That is in millimeters. 6 divisions and division mm. Millimeter. So this is the answer. So it is clear. This is very easy one. Very easy. So error unte kodi confusion untadi. Tappa direct ga aithe easy ne. Manu neat ga enta varaku aduguతారు. So that adige chance untadi. ఈ చూడండి 2021 లో అదే మీరు రాసింది అదే అడిగాడు ఎర్రర్ కూడా ఇవ్వలే ఇచ్చాడు ఎర్రర్ ఉన్నది. So here question given as a screw gauge with a pitch 0.5 mm and circular scale with 50 divisions is used to measure the thickness of the thin sheet of aluminium. Before starting the measurement, it is found that when two jaws of the screw gauge are brought in contact, the 45th division coincides with the main scale of the line. So that means we can conclude that is having some error. So he said that before starting the measurement, it is found that when two jaws of the screw gauge are brought in contact with 45th division is coincide with the horizontal line. Without any object 40, it is showing 45th division. That means that is having some error. So how many divisions are there total? 50 division. That is, it is showing 45. That means how much is the error? 5. 5 is the error. Is it positive error or negative error? Negative error. Negative error. That means we need to add. We need to add. 5 is the error. Now what about least count? Least count formula? Pitch of the screw by number of circular scale divisions. Circular scale divisions. So what is the value of it? 0.5 mm. By circular scale divisions are 50. That equal to 1 by 100. 0.1 by 10. 0.1 by 10 or 1 by 100. 1 by 100 millimeters. Next one. So error is how much? 5. Negative error. That means we need to add that one. Next one. So check the main scale reading. And the zero of the main scale is barely visible. What is the thickness of the sheet if the main scale reads 0.5 mm? That means the main scale reading is given as 0.5 mm. Next. And 25th division is coincides with the main scale reading. So circular scale reading is 25. No. So what about total reading? Main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading plus or minus least count into error. We need to multiply that error with the answer, error with least count. Now take least count as common. Simple calculation. Take least count as common. Circular scale reading minus plus or minus error. You can do like this. Now substitute the values. What is the main scale reading? 0.5. 0.5 mm. Least count 1 by 100. 1 by 100. Circular scale reading 25. 5. Plus 5 or minus 5? Plus 5. So substitute like that. Then you will get answer in one step. So this is 30 na? 30 by 10. 30 by 100. 0.5 plus 30 by 100. 0.3. 0.8 mm. Circular scale reading నుంచి error subtract చేయాలా యాడ్ చేయాలా చూసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. రెండింటికి కంబైన్ గా లీస్ట్ కౌంట్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉండదు. ఓకే లైన్ లైన్. ఇది ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ కండిషన్ అంటే డిస్కస్ ఇవ్వాలంటే error తో కలిపి పెడతాం. లేదా ఇవన్నీ ప్రీవియస్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఇది చేసుకుంటే చాలు. ఇవి అర్థమైతే చాలు. లెక్కలేదు టాపిక్ వేరే బుక్ చూడక్కర్లేదు అసలు. Pitch of this screw gauge is 1 mm and there are 100 divisions are there. That means least count is how much? So 1 by 100 mm. Least count equal to 1 by 100 mm. Can I write directly? Next one. When faces A and B are just touching each other without putting anything between the studs, the 32 division of the circular scale coincides with the reference line. So error is how much? 32. Error is how many divisions? 100 divisions are there. So that below 50, that is directly you can take that one as error. So 32. Positive error. Next. When a glass plate is placed between the studs, the linear scale reads 4 divisions. That means main scale reading equal to 4. Next. Circular scale reads 16 divisions. That means circular scale reading equal to 16. Now total reading is nothing but total reading equal to main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading plus or minus error. Can I write like this? Substitute values. Main scale reading 4 plus least count 1 by 100 into circular scale reading 16 and error 32 plus or minus we need to put minus sign. Positive error means we need to subtract minus sign. Now 16 minus 32 minus 16. So 4 minus 16 by 100. So 4 minus 0.16 that equal to 3.84. So which of these screw gauge is given as 1 mm and there are 100 divisions. Then least count is how much? 1 by 100. So least count is given as pitch of the screw 1 mm when number of divisions are 100. So that equal to 1 by 100 mm. Next, when nothing is put in between the jaws, the zero of the circular scale lies 6 divisions below the reference line. 6 divisions below the reference line. That means error is how much? Error equal to 6. Positive or negative? Positive error. Zero line is below the reference line. 6 digits below the reference line. So that we need to take that one as positive error. Next. When wire is placed in between the jaws, 2 linear scale divisions are clearly visible. So main scale leading. Main scale leading equal to 2 mm. Next one. And 62 divisions on the circular scale are coincides with the horizontal line or reference line. So circular scale readings are 60. Now total reading. So main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading plus or minus error. Substitute the values. Main scale reading is 2 plus least count 1 by 100. Circular scale reading 62 minus 6. So 2 plus 0.56 that equal to 2.56 mm. First diagram without any object, second diagram with object. Check this one. So what about least count? 50 divisions on it, circular scale, and 1 complete rotation circular scale moves 0.5 mm. That means least count equal to pitch of the screw by number of circular scale divisions. Pitch of the screw is how much? For 1 rotation, how much it traveled? 0.5 mm by number of circular scale divisions are 50. That equal to 1 by 100. So this is the least count of that particular instrument. Now without any object placed in between the jaws studs, it is showing 5. So that means error is how much? So positive error 5. Next. So with that object, what is the main scale reading? So main scale reading is 2. Next. Circular scale reading. Check this diagram. So 2 is clearly visible. Na? So 2 we need to take it as main scale reading. Next, circular scale reading. It is showing 25. So 25. Now total reading. Main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading plus or minus error. Now main scale reading is 2 plus the least count is 1 by 100. Circular scale reading 25 plus 5 or minus 5? Minus 5. Next 2 plus 20 by 100 0.2. That equal to 2.2 millimeter. 2.2 millimeter. Option B. Try to solve this one. So which one is the more precise division? More precise means more accurate. More accurate means that is based on the number of decimal points, number of digits after decimal points. If number of digits after decimal points are more, then that is more accurate or more precise. Now check this one. What is the least count for this? Vernier calipers having a 20 divisions on main scale and 20 divisions on vernier scale, 19 divisions on main scale. Now what is the least count for this? Least count equal to, so 1 main scale division by number of vernier divisions are 20. That equal to 0.5 0.05 mm. Mm or cm? Mm. One main scale division 1 mm. Next, for this one, screw gauge, which is 1 mm and 100 divisions are there. So least count equal to 1 by 100 mm or 0.01 mm. So compare these two, which is more precise? 0.01. So the least quantity that can be measured with this instrument is 0.01. Here 0.05. So we can measure this one, measure with this one, we can measure low values also with this one. Next, compare this one. Optical instrument. Optical instrument means, optical means that is related to light. So what is the general wavelength of light? Visible light. Around 6,000 angstroms, like 7,000 angstroms. So 6,000 angstroms. 6,000 angstroms means 6,000 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Or 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Or 6 into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 3 millimeter. 1 meter means 10 power 3 millimeter. Now 6 into 10 power minus 4 millimeter. That means for this one least count equal to 10 power minus 4 means 0.301 millimeter. 0.301. That means 4 digits we need to place after the decimal point because it is 10 power minus 4. Na? So 6 point. So what is more precise here? How many digits are there? So 4 digits are there after decimal point, so that this is more precise. So third one is more precise. But 4 complete rotation here. For 4 complete revolutions, it travels 2 mm. That means the pitch of the screw is nothing but 2 mm by number of rotations. 4. That equal to 0.5 mm. That is the pitch of the screw. So he said that 4 rotations are there, so that don't take this one as a pitch directly. Because 4 rotations. If it is 1 rotation, you can take that value as directly as a pitch of the screw. Now, next one, least count formula, pitch of the screw by, so number of circular scale divisions, 0.5 by 50 in terms of mm, that equal to 0.1 by 10 mm, that equal to 0.01 mm. Or 1 by 100. We can make it as 1 by 100 or 0.01. The circular head of screw gauge is divided into 200 divisions and move 1 mm ahead in 1 revolution. That means pitch we can take it as 1 mm. But number of divisions are 200. So least count 0.05. Least count equal to formula is pitch of the screw by number of circular scale divisions. Pitch is how much? 1 mm. Number of circular scale divisions are 200. So 1 by 200 mm is the least count. Next one. If the same instrument has 0 error, minus 0.05 mm. He gave directly as error minus 0.05 mm.
Yes, sir.
So that means we need to add that. So error is how much? 0.05 mm. Next, the reading on the main scale is main scale to measure the diameter of a wire is 6 mm. That means main scale reading equal to 6 mm. Next, on circular scale it is showing 45. So circular scale reading equal to 45. Now what is the total reading value? Total reading equal to main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading plus or minus error. Because error is given separately in terms of millimeter. So that no need to multiply with least count. Already multiplied. This is in if it is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, then you need to multiply. But it is in millimeter, so that no need to multiply that. You can use that one directly. Now main scale reading is how much? 6. Least count 1 by 200. Circular scale reading 45 plus or minus error is how much? 0.05. 6 plus 45 by 200. 45 by 200. 9 by 40. So we need to add or subtract this value. We need to add 0.05. 9 by 40 means that is less than 0.25. Na? This is less than 0.25. So if it is 10 by 40, that is equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. So it is 9 by 40 only. So that is less than that value. So 6 plus 0.225 plus 0.05. Add these. So second digit we need to add. So 6.275. So if you are going to add, try like this: 6.000, next 0.225, next 0.050.